Here, we let m be equal to a sub 1 x plus b sub 1 y plus c sub 1, while n equals a sub 2 x plus b sub 2 y plus c sub 2. So as you can see, this is linear in form in two variables. In this case, the variables are x and y. To find the solution of this, we need to change the variable. We let x be equal to u plus h, while y equals b plus k. H and k here are constants to be determined. Of course, u and v are variables. So getting dx here, we have dx equals du. Similarly, we have dy equals dv. Now, to find h and k, equate m to 0 as well as, of course, our n to 0. So here, magkakaroon tayo ng dalawang equations. And using these two equations, we can solve for x and y. Now, the value of x that you will obtain here is our h. And the value of k is, of course, yung value ng y na makukuha natin. Here, our m equals x minus y plus 2, while n equals x plus y minus 4. Equating m to 0, we have m equals 0, and then replace x by h, y by k, and then transpose this to get negative. H minus k equals negative 2. Similarly for this one, equate n to 0, replace by h, this one by k, transpose this, okay? So two equations, two unknowns, we can get the value of h and k here. H is 1 and k is equal to 3. Now, we let x be equal to u plus h is 1. And then y equals b plus k is 3. From its dx equals du and dy equals dv. Replace x by this, we'll get u plus 1, y by b plus 3, so minus b minus 3 plus 2. This is dx replaced by du, and then plus x is u plus 1, y is b plus 3, and then minus 4, dy equals dv. Simplifying this, we have 1 minus 3 is negative, 2 plus 2 is 0. So we have u minus v du plus 1 plus 3 minus 4 is, of course, 0. U plus b dv equals 0. Is it homogeneous? First degree, first degree, first degree, first degree. Meaning, it is now homogeneous differential equation. We let u be equal to pv. We have du equals pdv plus pdt. Replace u by pv, so we have pv plus b or minus b. And then du, what is du? du is PDB plus BDP. And then plus U is PV, copy V, and then DV equals 0. We can factor B here, so B times P minus 1 times PDB plus BDP plus factor B, B times P plus 1, DV equals 0. Divide both sides by B, by V, by V. And then multiply the two. We have P squared minus P dV plus P minus 1 V dP. Cancel this. Plus P plus 1 dV equals 0. This dV, can factor B here or dV here, copy, and then copy this, plus P plus 1 times dV, and then copy this, P minus 1 V dP equals 0. You can cancel this. We have P squared plus 1 dV plus P minus 1 V dP equals 0. Separating the variables, we have dV over B plus P minus 1 over P squared plus 1 dP equals 0. Copy dV over B. This can be written as P over P squared plus 1 minus, let us put dV here, minus dP over P squared plus 1 equals 0. Now we can integrate this. Integrate. We have ln of B plus integral of this is 1/2 ln of P squared plus 1. And this one is of course 1 arctangent. 1 over 1 is 1 because A squared here is equal to 1. U squared is P squared. U is equal to P, du is dP. So, integral of 1 over A squared plus U squared is arctangent. 1 over A arctangent U over A. Since A is 1, 1 over 1 is 1, our U is P divided by 1 is P equals C. Multiply both sides by 2. We have 2 ln of B plus ln of P squared plus 1 minus 2 arctangent of P. 2 times C is still constant. This can be written as ln of B squared. Apply property of logarithm here. We have your ln of B squared times P squared plus 1. And then minus arctangent of P equals C. Okay. We need to replace P by what? Okay, from here, P is equal to U over B. So, U over B. So, from U equals PV, P is equal to U over B. Squaring both sides, we get P squared equals U squared over B squared. Now we can place this by U squared by over B squared. So we have here ln of B squared times U squared over B squared plus 1. And then minus 2 arctangent P is U over B. So U over B is equal to C. Substitute, we have ln of U squared plus B squared minus 2 arctangent of U over B is equal to C. Now, this is not yet the final answer. because our given is in terms of x and y. We need to replace u by what? And b by k. From here, x is u plus 1, y is b plus 3. From x equals u plus 1 and y equals b plus 3, we have here u equals x minus 1, while b is y minus 3. Taking the square of both sides, we have here u squared is x squared minus 2x plus 1. b squared equals y squared minus 6y plus 9. Adding the two, you'll get u squared plus b squared. Copy x squared as well as y squared. Negative 2x, negative 6y, 1 plus 9 is of course 10. Now we can replace this directly by this. So we have here ln of x squared plus y squared minus 2x minus 6y plus 10 minus 2 arc tangent. We know that u is equal to x minus 1. So x minus 1, b is y minus 3 equals c. This is now our final answer. Here, our m equals x plus y plus 2, while n equals x plus y. Equate m to 0, you replace x and y by h and k respectively, transposing 2, you'll get h plus k equals negative 2. That is for equation 1. And then for this one, we have h plus k equals 0. So if you're going to subtract the 2, wala tayong makukuha ang value ng h and k. So hindi pwedeng gawin yung ginawa natin before. So anong gagawin dito? We'll just change the variable. In this case, kapag ganyan ang given, ang u natin dito ay pwedeng yung m o kaya yung n. Ang ginagawa ko dito, kinukuha ko lang yung kukuntiang term as my u. So we let u be equal to x plus y, from which du equals dx plus dy. Since this is dy, get dy here. dy equals du minus dx. So we know that x plus y here is equal to u. So we have here u, copy 2, and then copy dx plus x plus y is u. What is dy? du minus dx equate to 0. So copy u plus 2 first and then dx. Distribute this. So plus u du minus u dx equals 0. This is dx. We can factor dx. So we have u plus 2 minus u. Ito yan, and then as I've said, factor dx, copy u du equals 0. We can cancel this. So we have here 2 dx plus u du equals 0. Integrate. We have integral of 2 dx is of course 2x. This one is u squared over 2 is equal to c. Multiply both sides by 2 will give 4x plus u squared. 2 times c is still c. But what is u? U is equal to x plus y. Since u is equal to x plus y, then this will become 4x plus x plus y squared is equal to c. This can be our final answer. Ito na lang. You can expand this. Ito na lang, baka magkamali pa. Okay, this is constant, so automatically our u is our n, which is 2x plus y minus 4. And then du is 2dx plus dy. Dito tayo sa dx. From here, dx equals du minus dy all over 2. So this ds can be replaced by this. So we have 3 times du minus dy all over 2 plus this is equal to u dy equals 0. Multiply both sides by 2. I cancel this, distribute this. We have 3 du minus 3 dy plus 2u dy equals 0 times 2 for 0. Okay, so copy 3 du and then plus, we can factor dy here. We have 2u minus 3 dy equals 0. Separating the variables, we have 3 du over 2u minus 3 plus dy equals 0. Integrating this, we have integral of this is 3 over 2 ln of 2u minus 3. Integral of this is of course y is c. Multiply both sides by 2. So makakasul natin ito. We have 3 ln of 2u minus 3 plus y equals what? C. But we need to multiply this by 2 will give 2y. Now, what is u? U is 2x plus y minus 4. So we have here 3 ln of 2 times 2x plus y minus 4. 2x plus y minus 4 minus 3 plus 2y equals c. Simplifying this, we have 2 times 2x is 4x, 2y, 2 times na is negative 8, minus 3 is negative 11, and then plus 2yc is now our final answer.